Hey, what's going on everyone? Justin Temple here with a quick video on iCoinPro review while we are fishing in Birmingham, Alabama. Dad just cut the head off of a perch to try to catch some bigger fish. And there's sister right there. Hey, sissy, wave to the camera. Hey, what's up, Dad? Yeah, we're just fishing out here. Look how sunburned I am. Holy mackerel. Riding jet skis, boats. Today's 4th of July, so hope you're having a great 4th of July. And I just want to tell you real quick why I like iCoinPro, why it's my #1 program. It's because, one, you can actually use the product to make money online without having to recruit people. So the product is actually an asset, not a liability. And it's not going to fill your garage with a bunch of lotions, potions, and pills to make your wife upset. And so I actually get to use the product and use iCoinPro to be able to enjoy my life, hang out with family, enjoy time freedom and financial freedom. So if you want to learn about iCoinPro, click the link in the description below. Now there's a few more reasons why I like this program. It is simply because of the co-owners. They're very open, available, transparent, and they work very closely with their affiliates, so I do appreciate that. And how's that perch coming? Oh, look at that. Ugh, nasty.
Try to catch a big catfish now.
All right. Gotta wash your hands now. But thanks so much for being on this video, guys. I'm a top 8 recruiter inside of iCoinPro, and just wanted to show you guys that you can enjoy your life, have fun, day trade, and do network marketing, and enjoy your family at the same time. So we are swimming, fishing, jet skiing, boating, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, go and click the link down below. Get started on my iCoinPro team. I work very closely with my team. I build your funnel. I set up your email marketing. I teach you how to coach people, teach you how to talk to people, teach you how to recruit. I teach you how to day trade. I coach my team specifically on how to use the product and the system. So thank you so much. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to fish. And oh yeah, we actually caught, okay, so let me show you. You want to hold that? Thanks. I'll just be 1 second. So right here, there we go. Caught 2 catfish. Not too big, not too big a catfish, but we caught 2 fish. And the house that we're staying at is right here. Big old absolute mansion. It's got 3 stories, basement, so many rooms, a lot of beds, and so this is my Aunt Pat and my Uncle Joe's house that we're staying out at, and really nice time out here. Hope you're having a wonderful 4th of July, and go and click. Oh, he just cast it out. There goes the perch. Nice. You can, lock it in there. Sweet. Alright guys, click that link down below and I'll show you how to become a top 8 recruiter and how to live the laptop lifestyle. See you next time.